found you, Mary. Thank you so much for listening to my Fire to Rain. And I did for my heart, and as she fell, you rose to climb it. It was dark, and I was hungry, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands still were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, was it pure as I touched your face? Well, it burned when I cried, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, but cheaper as I touch your face. Well, it burned and I cried, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flame. When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart you called must be waiting for you. Even now, when we were already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned when I cried, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I throw us into the flame. When it burned, something died, 'cause I knew that the last time. Oh no, let it burn, let it burn, let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. Oh, let it burn. Thank you so much, all my fans, and you my baby. Listen to the song Set Fire to the Rain, diesmal vom dicken Peitler aus seiner eigenen Version, gesungen mit seiner eigenen Stimmlage, einfach hervorragend. Danke fürs Zuhören. Have a nice Monday morning all together. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.